We're down here at Sunnydale and we're looking at the all new Primero by Delta. The thing is, it's not all new, it's from 2008. And I'm not going to lie to you, this has had a hard life. Let me show you what I mean. Now, during transport down to this site, half of the shell, the cladding fell off. So you can see that, I don't know if you can tell, but part of that is new. Part of that is new cladding that they've had to put on. The rest of it is on M1 somewhere. Now, also this is a 2008 model. I mean, it might say it's all new, and that might be the name of it, but it's not exactly all new. In fact, there are parts of it that are new, like the side, but not only the side, the floor is new. So they had this transported here, and then they realised that there was substantial damage with it. So they've had to rip out the floor and put a brand new floor in. So they've worked hard to improve it. And I've got to say, it looks a lot better. So let's go in. You enter. So I've come in through the back door. You're faced with a door this way to a bedroom. You're faced with a door to the right to a bedroom. And then you're faced with a door to your left and a cupboard. So in this cupboard, you've got a little old school Morco boiler. That's, you know, it's passed, it's fine, it's done its job. A little cupboard, and if you look at the floor, you can see it's new. It's got new lino on it, and the reason being is because from this kitchen here, right? See, it's solid as that now. There's no messing about with that, is there? But from there all the way to the back, the floor was rotten, so it's been completely removed, and a brand new floor has been put in. Right, I should also point out that this is a cheap caravan. With it being 2008, look at that. Right, so there's a poster here, Riley's Pick of the Week. Let's just put it down so you can see it properly. Riley's Pick of the Week, only $13,995 plus fees. And site fees, look, start at just £2,495. And with a £5 deposit, £5,000 deposit, you can have this for £300 a month for just 36 months. Now, I think you've got a 5-year license on this, so you've not got long, but it's old and cheap, right? As far as caravans go, this is pretty cheap. So let's have a look. You've got the kitchen area, so that's where we've just walked in. We've just walked in through that hallway, and then we come across, and you've got a bit of an old cooker. When I say old, I think they've maybe replaced parts of that as well, because look, they might that's waiting to have a new front on it. We've got plenty of cupboards. There you go, that's the old one by the looks of it, that's sat on top. We've got quite a few cupboards. Oof, make a bit of noise. Could do with something there just to soften them, couldn't we? But yeah, you've got plenty of storage. Is that double glazing? Doesn't look like it. Could do with a blind above there, but other than that, they've made this kitchen look pretty good. I mean, when this arrived on park, I genuinely thought that the only good thing they could do with this caravan is set it on fire, burn it, blow it up, something of that nature. But it looks like they've worked hard to tidy it up and replace the major problems. Excuse my bag there. So we've got a big fridge freezer here, fairly clean and tidy, no wrong with that, no signs of rust. Again, we've got another cupboard at the side. We have got cupboards under the sink. You know what, this would probably make, oh, look, so you can see now where they've put in a new floor. You see the new boarding being put in and it being sealed. That's probably the last bit that needed to be done. And again, look, you can see new flooring down there, and they've not put any lino inside the cupboards to hide it. Now, here we come. That's it really for the kitchen. Not a lot more I can say about it. It's compact, it does its job. As we come round into the living room, the living room's also had a brand new carpet. So the carpet looks alright. And then we've got this other door that goes out. Now this is a bit old school, so at one time you'd have had a decking just on the side, and then you could have the both doors open. And I remember actually as a kid, not as a kid but as a young man when my son was about 2, taking my son to my grandma's caravan, and they had a deck just like that, and he'd run round in circles, out of one door, in the other and back round. So as we take a seat, you can see a little bit of damage to the edging of the wood around the dining table. And again, the kitchen is small, it's compact, it does the job. And we've got a fireplace, a gas fire, TV on it. I mean, it's alright in it, it's not bad. It's amazing actually what they've managed to do. One of the things I walk in to check is there was some flaking going on with the ceiling, which I don't know if that's down to damp. I can only presume it's down to damp. I did think when I first saw this, maybe there's a leak in the roof. However, it absolutely hammered it down this weekend. And well, absolutely, you'd expect after last night's rain that there'd be some wet patches if there is any damage up there. Right, so that's looking all right. So we come into the bathroom. Now these showers, they always look right small, these type showers, but when you get in them, they're actually a really good size. They're a lot bigger than they actually look. But again, it's a fairly basic old shower. It's 2008. What do we want? We've got, I wonder if they've linked it all up yet. Nope. So we've got, we've got the sink. I'm not sure if this is new floor, maybe. And toilet. I mean, it's just basic, innit? I mean, it's what you expect. It's an old school caravan. In fact, I was talking to a chap who watches this channel. Only this weekend. He came down with his family. And he's a big follower, so hello Richard, thanks for coming down and seeing us this weekend. And he was actually telling me he prefers old caravans. So I'm going to guess, Richard, that you'd like this caravan, and for $13,995 it could be yours, right? Because this is an old style caravan. He says, Shane, he goes, I don't like modern caravans. And I said, well, you're not going to like mine then. But he prefers the old ones because he feels they're a lot cosier, and they remind him of caravanning when he was a child. So, each to their own. So, Richard, this caravan could be for you. Let's carry on. Right then. So, is that all space we've got? Right, so, we come in. And we've got the children's bedroom. So we're waiting for the curtains to be put up, obviously. And we've just got 2 basic beds. This is really old school, isn't it? Big window, lets in lots of natural light. Comfortable, and it looks like, look, so we've had new carpets. And you know why we've had new carpets? Because we've needed a new floor all the way throughout the caravan. Little cupboard, little wardrobe, yeah, does the job. And then we come in to the master bedroom. Now look at that, right? So we've got a vent down there, but literally the vent that used to be down here was the entire floor. I mean, it's fairly solid now, right? Good solid floor is being put in. So you know that this caravan is now going to be shipshape. The entire floor has been replaced. I mean, if you saw this bedroom only a month or 2 ago, you'd be shocked. I genuinely thought they wouldn't be able to do anything with it. But there you go. They fixed the floor, they put a new carpet down. And I think the reason it's at $13,995 is the amount of money they put into restoring it. back to its former glory. And then if we just have a quick sit down on the bed, we've got a little mirror, little cupboard to keep your bits and bobs in. Look, that's the original carpet by the looks of it. Look, see, you've got an old brown carpet and then the new blue grey carpet. So yeah, it's been nicely done. So that's cool. And then again, we've got this wardrobe. Decent sized wardrobe. Again, you can see the old carpet versus the new carpet. So you can see where they've had to replace the floor down to the damage. But all in all, not a bad little caravan. It's vintage, it's old. It's like, but it's not bad. It's not a bad little caravan. So you might be thinking to yourself, yeah, this isn't for me, Shane. This caravan's a bag of rubbish. And it's a little caravan, right? In fact, it's that little. I think it's only 10 foot wide. Let me just double check. Yeah, it's a 28 foot by 10 foot caravan at $13,995. So why might you buy a caravan that's little and old and had some damage? Well, the damage has been repaired. So now you know that it's safe and it's good. I mean, you could buy a caravan that's old and then a year down the line you go through floor because it was never checked. Well, this has been checked and it's been repaired, right? And with it being only a 10 foot wide caravan, 28 by 10, you could literally have it on any pitch on park. And by signing a deal where the pitch fee is only £2,495, if and when you come to upgrade, you can keep that pitch fee. Obviously it'll go up with inflation each year, but at £2,495 it's going to go up a lot slower than a pitch at £5,000. So if you can find a decent pitch that you like at £2,495, then this makes it the perfect starter caravan. Because let's face it, not everybody wants to jump in and buy a £50,000, £60,000 caravan if they don't know whether they like static caravans. If they don't know whether they'll actually use it enough to make it viable. Whereas if you buy this, the worst that's going to happen is you're going to be losing about 12 grand. Whereas if you buy a 50 grand caravan, you're losing 50 grand, aren't you? It's a lot to lose. So, and don't forget, if you do sort of buy something this cheap, and then you decide, well, actually I quite like caravanning, then they'll normally give you a bit more to upgrade. I'm not going to say they're going to give you it full 12, but maybe they'll give you 6, 7, 8 grand of this caravan to upgrade to a better caravan. So for me, this caravan really suits either somebody who's a first time buyer who just wants to see, do I like caravanning? Or it suits somebody like my pal Richard who likes old caravans. Or maybe, you know who would love it? My grandma would love this caravan. Very similar to her old caravan. And if it were just her and my granddad, I'm sure this caravan would be bob on for them. Anyway, that is all I've got to say. So I'll see you down the club. Before we actually finish and I wrap this up, right, I just want to show you this. So just behind the dining table, look, there's this strange cupboard here. But is it me, or does that remind you like one of them cupboards you see in pubs where they keep a dartboard? Which actually, when you think about it, standing here right now would potentially make a good place to play darts. I mean, it'd trash the caravan, but yeah, it would make a good place to keep a dartboard. Anyway, that was just my final thought before I left you today. So anyway, I'll see you down the club.